If you want to unlink a Gmail account from your Google account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove a recovery email so you can clean up the accounts connected to your Google profile. This is useful if you no longer use that email, want better account security, or simply want to disconnect an old address you don't need anymore. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This takes you straight to your Google account security settings. Once the page loads, look for the section that says How you sign into Google. In that area, click on Recovery Email. This is where Google lets you manage the email address used for account recovery. On the recovery email screen, you'll see the email address currently linked to your account. To unlink it, click the delete icon next to the email you want to remove. Google will ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and click delete again to finish the process. Once you confirm, that email will be removed from your Google account as a recovery email. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked the Gmail address. It only takes a few clicks, but it's important to be careful so you don't remove an email you still need for account recovery. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.